Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dr. X Knows, your one-stop channel for life hacks, outdoor adventures, and vibes you didn't know you needed. Whether you're battling anxiety, trying to navigate social pressure, or just looking to level up your skills, I've got your back. Oh, and if you're into fishing, cooking, or jamming to some original tunes, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Life can be overwhelming, right? Social media pressure, deadlines, and that constant fear of missing out. It's a lot. But here's the thing, I've been there. On this channel, I share real, actionable tips to help you manage anxiety and crush those social pressures. Think of me as your hype man for mental wellness. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. Ever wanted to catch your own dinner? I'll teach you how to catch fish like a pro. And once you've got that fresh catch, stick around for my step-by-step guides on smoking fish and making killer deer sausage. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. But wait, there's more. Music is my therapy, and maybe it's yours too. I'll be dropping original songs and beats that'll make you feel seen, heard, and ready to take on the world. So whether you are here for the life advice, the outdoor skills, or just the vibes, hit that subscribe button and join the Dr. X Knows family. Let's grow, learn, and vibe together. See you in the next video.